ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್? It is the phenomenon of generating electric current by varying magnetic field. Define magnetic flux. Magnetic flux ಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡಿವೆ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ನು, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ಸ್. Expression is very simple. Pi b is equal to BA cos theta. B, strength of the magnetic field. A, area of the cross section. Theta, angle between B and A. When will the magnetic flux maximum and minimum? When theta is 0 degree, magnetic flux maximum. When theta is 90 degree, magnetic flux minimum. Why? Because cos 90 is 0. Mention the SI unit of magnetic flux. Its magnetic flux scalar or vector. SI unit of magnetic flux Tesla meter square. SI unit of magnetic flux Tesla meter square. Magnetic flux is a scalar quantity. State and explain Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Statement: the magnitude of the EMF induced in a circuit is equal to the time rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the circuit. That is, expression ಏನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ, induced EMF is equal to minus d psi b upon dt. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, what is motional EMF? EMF induced in a conductor moving in a magnetic field. What are eddy currents? Current induced in a massive conductors placed in varying magnetic field. Mention the uses, applications, advantages of eddy currents. First use, magnetic braking in trains. Second use, electromagnetic damping. Third use, induction furnace. Fourth use, electric power meters. Next question, define self inductance of a coil. EMF induced in a coil due to unit rate of change of current in the same coil. Mention an expression for induced EMF in terms of inductance of coil and explain the symbols. E is equal to minus L di upon dt. E, yes, EMF, induced EMF. L, inductance of the coil. Di upon dt, the rate of change of current. Mention an expression for self-inductance of a solenoid and explain the symbols. L is equal to mu naught mu r n square A upon L. L, self-inductance. Mu naught, permeability of the free space. Mu r, relative permittivity of the core of the solenoid. N, number of turns in a solenoid. A, area. L, length of the solenoid. Define mutual inductance. Mutual inductance between pair of coils is numerically equal to EMF induced in a coil due to the unit rate of change of current in the neighboring coil. 14th question, mention an expression for mutual inductance of two long coaxial solenoids and explain the symbols. M is equal to mu naught mu r n1 n2 a1 upon L. M mutual inductance, mu naught permeability of the free space, mu r relative permittivity of the core of the solenoid, n1 number of turns in inside solenoid, n2 number of turns in outside solenoid, a1 area of the first solenoid, L length of the solenoid. What is an AC generator? AC generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. On which principle AC generator works? Yes, you are right. Mutual induction. What is inductor? Inductor is a circuit element which opposes the change in current flowing through it. Draw the circuit symbol of the inductor. Here is the circuit symbol. Thank you so much.